be, this run is to increase awareness on HIV. So today, we celebrate more than just crossing a finish line. We celebrate courage, commitment, and compassion. Each of you will join the Race to Zero, carrying with you a powerful message that together we refuse to let stigma win. Okay, so we refuse to let fear divide us, and we choose to stand for zero new infections, zero stigma, and zero AIDS-related deaths. So your presence here means you believe in a healthier, more compassionate Iloilo. So you showed up not just for yourselves, but for